Imagine waking up to a night sky that looks nothing like you've ever seen. Two galaxies on a collision course, stars swirling together in a cosmic dance. But what does this mean for Earth? Will our planet survive when the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies finally crash into each other? Could the solar system be flung into deep space? Or worse, would humanity be around to witness it? In this video, we're diving deep into what scientists predict will happen when these two massive galaxies collide, and how it could change the future of Earth forever. Is this the event that brings an end to everything we know, or will it open new doors for human survival? Stay with me, and let's explore the unknown. Imagine a calm night sky, familiar and unchanged for billions of years. Now picture it slowly transforming, not over days or months, but millennia. Our Milky Way, vast and majestic, is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, a cosmic dance that's been set in motion long before humans ever existed. This galactic collision isn't science fiction. It's a real and inevitable event predicted by astronomers. The gravitational forces pulling these two galaxies together are slow, but relentless. Every second, they inch closer, and in around 4 billion years, they'll collide, reshaping everything we know about the universe. But what does that even look like? A sky full of stars swirling into each other, or perhaps something even more chaotic? The merger between these two colossal galaxies raises questions that stir our deepest curiosities. Is this going to be a graceful intertwining of stars and planets, or will it be a destructive galaxy crash, hurling everything into chaos? The Andromeda-Milky Way merger might seem distant, but when you consider how galaxies interact on a cosmic timescale, it's a blink of an eye. And while the stars themselves won't crash into one another, the gravitational tug-of-war will certainly shake things up. So, what does this mean for our tiny corner of the universe? The solar system? Could our peaceful neighborhood be disrupted, or worse, flung out into the void of space? These questions aren't just theoretical. They have real consequences for Earth's survival and the future of humanity. Imagine standing on Earth, looking up as the sky transforms into something we've never seen. Would humans still be around to witness this cosmic event? Or will our species have long moved on? As the galaxies merge, it's not just our solar system that could face changes, but the entire universe as we know it. And this is where the story gets even more fascinating. What exactly happens to the solar system as the galaxies crash together? Now, picture this. The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies are in the middle of their slow-motion collision, and somewhere in the vast expanse, our solar system sits quietly. You might think that a galactic collision would mean chaos for our solar system, planets smashing into each other, stars exploding. But surprisingly, that's not the case. The space between stars is so vast that the odds of actual collisions are incredibly low. But before you breathe a sigh of relief, there's more to the story. Gravitational forces, which hold everything in place, are about to be tested. Imagine those forces shifting, possibly sending entire star systems, including ours, on new, unpredictable paths. Could Earth be ejected from the galaxy entirely, flung out into deep space, left to drift in the cold emptiness? The fate of the solar system and the Andromeda-Milky Way merger is a fascinating question. While a direct collision between stars or planets is unlikely, the gravitational effects of the galaxy crash could have serious consequences for the long-term stability of the solar system. Imagine Earth suddenly finding itself in a new orbit, perhaps around a different star, or even at the edges of the newly merged galaxy. Would life on Earth survive such a drastic change? Would our climate, seasons, and the delicate balance of life be completely thrown into disarray? These aren't just speculative thoughts. Scientists believe that the shift in gravitational forces could lead to drastic orbital changes, making Earth's position in the universe far more unstable. What's more, if the solar system is dragged into a new part of the galaxy, who's to say what cosmic threats we might encounter? Radiation from supernovae, rogue planets, or even dangerous black holes could pose serious risks. The solar system's stability isn't just about where we are now. It's about where we'll end up. Imagine Earth orbiting a new star, or perhaps no star at all, in a distant, dark corner of the galaxy. This opens up a whole new set of questions. What happens to Earth during this cosmic event? Will it be a peaceful transition, or could it be the beginning of the end for our planet as we know it? As the Andromeda and Milky Way galaxies inch closer to their eventual merger, one question looms large. What will this galactic collision mean for Earth? While stars might not collide, the gravitational forces at play could drastically alter Earth's orbit. A slight change in our planet's position relative to the Sun could spell disaster, leading to extreme climate changes that could make life, as we know it, unsustainable. Imagine Earth drifting just a little too close to the Sun, turning our planet into a scorching wasteland, or moving farther away, plunging us into a frozen, inhospitable world. The survival of life on Earth could hinge on the smallest of shifts in our solar system's balance. But there's another, even more daunting possibility. What if the collision of these two massive galaxies triggers a black hole merger? Both the Milky Way and Andromeda have supermassive black holes at their centers, and when these giants collide, they could unleash a storm of cosmic radiation that would sweep across the galaxy. Could this radiation reach Earth and end all life in an instant? Or would it instead be a slow, gradual impact, with the radiation altering Earth's atmosphere over time, making survival impossible? These aren't just abstract threats. They're very real space predictions that scientists have made about the potential dangers Earth could face. Yet, amidst all this uncertainty, there's still room for hope. Humanity has faced extinction events before, and our resilience might mean we'll find a way to survive this cosmic event too. Perhaps by then, we'll have developed the technology to shield ourselves from harmful radiation or even relocate to a more stable planet in the solar system, or beyond. The big question is, will we be prepared for the possible disruptions the Andromeda-Milky Way merger could bring, or will this be the event that finally brings an end to life on Earth? The answers lie not only in science, but in the future of human innovation and adaptability. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies is set to occur in around 4 billion years. But that raises an intriguing question. Will humans still be around to witness this monumental galactic collision? When you consider the vastness of cosmic time, human civilization has existed for a blink of an eye, and predicting our future so far ahead feels almost impossible. Yet, it's worth imagining. Will humanity have evolved, technologically or biologically, to survive the effects of the Andromeda-Milky Way merger? Perhaps by then, we'll have mastered space travel, allowing us to move between galaxies with ease. Could we even find ourselves living on other planets, or even in entirely different galaxies, far removed from the chaos? Now, think about human innovation. In the last century alone, we've seen extraordinary advancements in science and technology. If we project that same rate of progress into the future, it's not so far-fetched to think that humans might have developed technologies we can only dream of today. Colonizing planets, harnessing energy from black holes, or even creating self-sustaining civilizations on distant worlds may all be within our reach. But there's also the darker side of this timeline. What if we don't make it that far? Could the looming threat of climate change, nuclear war, or other human extinction events stop us from ever reaching that point? The future of Earth could be bright or bleak, and it's entirely up to us. Even if humanity no longer exists in the form we know today, there's a chance our creations, AI, advanced robots, or other technologies, will live on. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence continues to thrive, exploring the universe long after humans have disappeared. It's possible that these advanced beings, created by us, will witness the cosmic event of the galaxy merger and ponder the same questions we do today. Will our legacy be one of innovation and survival, or will it fade into the vast expanse of space? One thing's for sure, the future holds endless possibilities, and the fate of Earth during the galaxy merger is just the tip of the iceberg. After the Andromeda-Milky Way merger, the universe will look drastically different from the one we know today. The two galaxies will blend together, forming a new, larger galaxy, often referred to as Milky Way. This new cosmic structure will have its own unique arrangement of stars, gas clouds, and planets. But what about our solar system? Will it remain safely tucked away in a stable orbit? Or will it be flung into an entirely new region of this galaxy merger? It's possible that the gravitational forces will send our solar system spiraling into a new position within this freshly formed galaxy, where new cosmic neighbors await. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing an entirely different view, with stars from two merged galaxies shining down. This galaxy crash could also trigger a massive increase in star formation, lighting up the cosmos with the birth of new stars. It's like a cosmic fireworks show on an unimaginable scale. But that also raises some questions. Could new stars form too close to our solar system? If a star forms nearby, its radiation and gravitational pull could have serious consequences for Earth and the surrounding planets. Perhaps we would see new celestial objects appear in our sky, or worse, experience disruptions that could change the course of life on Earth forever. Would humans, if they're still around, be able to adapt to these changes and find ways to thrive in a new galaxy? The possibilities don't end there. As the Milky Way and Andromeda come together, black holes from both galaxies will likely merge too, creating a supermassive black hole at the center of Andromeda. This could lead to even more cosmic events that shape the future of the universe. Will Earth find itself closer to this powerful force, or will it remain at a safe distance? Either way, the aftermath of this galactic collision will leave a lasting legacy on the universe, reshaping everything from the smallest particles to the largest star systems. The future of Earth and the solar system impact could be one of survival or transformation, but one thing is certain: the night sky will never be the same again. So, as we've explored, the Andromeda-Milky Way merger is one of the most significant cosmic events our galaxy will ever face. Whether Earth will survive this galactic collision, or whether we'll witness the birth of a new galaxy from the sidelines, remains a question that will challenge the imagination of future generations. But what do you think? Will humanity be around to adapt to these changes? Or could this galaxy crash spell the end for us? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm curious to hear how you think we'll survive or thrive in this new cosmic reality. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Earth, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more space discoveries. And before you go, if you're wondering what happens next in the universe's grand story, check out our previous video. Two galaxies are about to merge. What happens next? Where we dig deeper into what this cosmic collision really means. You won't want to miss it.